Yat Shik Doshitine, Shia, Geraldine Garrity Dashitine, Toy Head Leaning, the Schledo, Twitch eating Pashishin, Bit Ani Ada Shichedo, Kia Ani Ada Shinale, Ado look at your gate a Sinasha. Quite Diné College get a Shinanish, Provost a Shinanish. Ado quite today, I will talk about the kickoff meeting for the strategic design and themes for Diné College. We invite you all to join us next Wednesday to listen and contribute by giving meaningful feedback. Oltae do oltaegi elchine ko ban sahakes do ban na huita bin yashla nana khido no wache alache ishla dina khigo ahut ago eya bin yakwaege ashinane ka homesh ako kwaekshi na khahdo kato dan hisin of tsado ado inda kwa eya Zoom webinar with yao eya biye shin e kwaege nad kito les ajashi ko nasni na khanan ni egi bankich na hot inde nasko ultra do kwa ultra sa anegi bin yen sinane kes do na hita halegit ego eya ultra kwa na ultra do les na di no e shin kwaege eya bits ado eya jonako ihisin da hunle do les ado Bilaganak we the college are looking forward to this new process of engaging the stakeholders and community from the beginning of the planning process. By conducting town hall meetings, we learned a lot from this pandemic as we are planning for the new academic years, the next 5 years, and we want to ensure that we get feedback from each one of you. And also consider all the different ways of the new 5 years and beyond that 50 years. Asian Kraken Yen no Hit Adole